Okay, so quick tip here in Premiere on how to make chapters show up as an exported QuickTime movie. First thing you'll see is I've got some drone footage of a couple of different clips here, and I want to add a marker as to where I want the chapters to be and to give the chapter a name. I'm going to use my up and down arrow keys to get to the edit point between my two clips. I'm actually going to start all the way at the front and make that my first chapter. First thing is I'm going to lock my video or audio. I've only got video for this particular project, but I want to lock it so the markers don't appear within the actual clips. I want timeline markers that I can make into chapter markers. Hit my M key to add my first marker. I'm going to double click on the marker. I'm going to give it a name. So this one is waterfall. I'm going to change my color to red, and I want to change it from a comment marker to a chapter marker. Go ahead and click on OK. Now let's go and set my next chapter. Coming back down here into my timeline, I'm going to use my down arrow to go to my next drone shot, which is going to be the mountains over the beach. Hit my M key to add a marker. Double click on the marker. This one's going to be Mountain C. Click my red as my color. Click chapter marker and click OK. And I'm just going to repeat this process. Down arrow, M for marker, double click, give it a name. This is going to be dunes because it's the overhead shot of my dunes. Change my color to red, change my chapter marker, hit OK. Repeat again for my last one. M, which will be my mountains and the snow. Double click. Snow MTS, which is going to be short for mountains. Hit my red, hit my chapter marker, click OK. Now each one of these, if I hover over each marker, you'll see the name that I assigned to it. And that's what we'll show for our chapter markers. Our exporting is just a little bit different this time. Click on export. Instead of choosing my normal match source H.264 MP4, I'm going to change these. So my format, I'm actually going to choose as QuickTime. So change my format to QuickTime, and my preset for that will be the Apple ProRes 422. I'm going to look down here at my metadata, make sure that it says include markers. Make sure that's checked, and then I'm going to export. The name of my timeline was called Drone Shots, and you see I now have an exported MOV file. Let's double click that to open that inside of QuickTime. When we open our video in QuickTime, you'll see this double arrow over here. If I click that double arrow, now it says chapters, and here are all the different chapters that I set up. There's my waterfalls. I can click to change to my mountain sea. I can click to change to my dunes. I can click to change to my snow mountains. And so that automatically moves my playhead to those points, those chapters that I created. So if you ever need to create chapters in a video, that's how it's done.